Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So I have a makeup tutorial for you today, and it is actually going to be a kind of fun, more creative tutorial. So I'm actually doing the my friend draws my makeup challenge. So I had my niece Michelle draw me this one, and she got pretty creative with it, and it looks really challenging for me, at least, because you guys know I don't do anything with like colors and stuff like that, like I always say, but I am going to be putting my creative hand to work today. But yeah, I don't know who started this trend. I think it might have been James Charles. Thought it was a really fun idea, so I just decided to do it today. But anyways, let's stop rambling and just get right into the video. So I already did my brows and my base makeup just to get that out of the way, because I wanted to focus more on the eyeshadow look and everything else. So yeah, a lot of these materials I do not have, like black lipstick, and my white liner is like almost dead, but we're gonna try to make it work and try to make the best out of it. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of trial and error, and let's just start off by doing the eyeshadow. So for this look, I'm mostly going to be using the JungleRock Bretman palette, but we will see what other palettes I use, and I'll make sure to link them all down for you guys as well. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using a brighter shade just because I want the colors to be very vibrant. And you guys can see in the picture, there's only one side that has the eyeshadow, so I'm only going to set this side. I'm going to be putting bronzer in the crease. This is the NARS Laguna, and I'm going to put it on both sides even though the other eye is supposed to be left blank, just to give it a little bit more definition so it's not so flat when I put on lashes later. And of course, just try to fan it out a little bit. Now I'm taking the purple in the palette and I'm just going to put that right in the crease. We're gonna start lightly and then build off of that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease now so that we can start applying the other shades, and I'm pretty much done with the purple, and I think I might have to go back in to make it a little bit darker, but we shall see. I'm now going to be taking like a light lavender shade and just apply that right in the inner corners. And then we'll go ahead and add the pink in the middle. This is the most vibrant pink that I have, so I'm going to try to make it work. And then now taking that deep purple right in the outer corners again. Okay, it doesn't look terrible right now. Doesn't look that great, but let's just go ahead and do the white liner, which I'm really scared for, because if I mess up a little bit, it will go downhill from there. But let's just go ahead, hold our breath, and just do this. I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I'm like shaking, so be right back. Alrighty, like I said, trial and error, and I did the best that I could, and my white liner was literally so dry, but I think it looks okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara and my lashes now. And now we are taking a turquoise shade under the lash line. For the sparkles as well, in the picture, I'm just putting jewels, and I already put some on. And I'm not creative at all, so I'm not that great at drawing, so I'm just taking these like little craft stars and moons, and I'm just gonna use that to put on my face. I also am sticking all of it on with lash glue. So I ran out of stars, so I'm just putting jewels all over to replace it. And again, I don't have black lipstick, so I'm just gonna be using black pencil liner. Scary! Alright you guys, this is the completed look. I tried my best, and honestly I think it turned out pretty okay. Very intimidating for me. Look at this black lip. I don't even have black lipstick, but it's honestly kind of cool. I feeling the vibes a little bit, but yeah, it's just a little fun activity for me to get a little bit creative, and yeah, it's completed. Had a lot of troubles, as you can see in the video, but besides that, it was actually really fun. I enjoyed it a lot, and hopefully you guys did too. So if you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I should be doing 2 or 3 more of these because I want to make it like a little bit of a series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.